Hey sunshines, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a luxury unboxing. I am unboxing the Cartier Juste Clou ring. If you want to see how it looks and my thoughts, keep watching. And as usual, any Cartier item will come in this beautiful Cartier bag. It's so iconic, so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I keep them all just because they're so pretty to look at. And inside you will get two little, one normal envelope and a small envelope. This one is the Cartier certificate for your piece, and it looks like this. And for the Juste Clou, it says made in 18K gold or in platinum, was certified that this is an authentic Cartier jewel and certified by date and the stamp and everything. And then you will also have the envelope with the receipt. This ring cost me £1,070, and then it has the person who served you, their contact, and just a normal receipt. And then we have two boxes inside. We'll obviously have the actual ring and a care kit. All Cartier items come with a care kit, which is so useful. I tend to clean my pieces at least every 6 months just to keep them looking its best. And inside the care kit you will find this little pocket and the lotion for jewelry and watches spray, a little velvet cloth with this brush. This is actually really helpful. And if you don't know how to use this, it's super simple. You basically take your jewelry, place it on a flat surface, you spray with this, leave it for a couple of minutes, and then you can just kind of get any stains or anything with this little brush, dry with this like new. But this is more of a superficial treatment. If you want it to look kind of brand new again, you do need to go to Cartier. They do a full cleaning service and it does look so good. I did it after around a year of buying my love pieces. I have these love rings and the love bracelet, and when I took it for cleaning, it looked amazing. But I do recommend kind of doing this every 6 months or every year, just to keep the pieces clean and looking its best. Now onto the ring. I went for the gold Juste Clou. I am a huge gold fan, so couldn't have it in any other color. Oh, I'm sorry, I went opening and didn't even show it to you guys. It comes in this gorgeous Cartier box. You open it and then the box of dreams. It looks like this. So pretty. And then you press this little button here and the ring is there. So I went for the Juste Clou 18K gold ring. It's so pretty, but I haven't really worn it ever since I got it. I got it in December. It is now February, and I haven't really made the most of it. I think it's beautiful, but it's not as comfortable as the love ring, which has kind of stopped me from wearing as much. But it basically looks like this. I mean, this is a beautiful ring, but I totally think it's more of a trendier piece comparing to the Love collection. I feel like it's also less versatile and not as comfortable as the Love collection. It does, depending on what you're doing, it does press a little bit onto the skin, so I would recommend that you do go a size bigger, just so it doesn't really hurt your finger when you get swollen. You know, summer days we get a bit more water retention, so you don't want that to happen. But it is a gorgeous ring. I don't necessarily wear it as much as my love rings. My love rings never come out of my finger, whereas the Juste Clou, it's more like occasion wear when I really want to make my hands stick out and look pretty, but it is not a ring I wear on a daily basis. It stays more in the box than anything else. So I think that if it was for me to go and purchase, again, not sure I'd go for the Juste Clou. Having said that, I still really want the Juste Clou bracelet, because obviously now I have the ring. I think it would kind of look nice with the mix of collections, but yeah, not necessarily as wearable and versatile as the Love pieces that and I got it in the size small, meaning it is a slimmer version of the ring that is a thicker version of the Juste Clou, which I'm not gonna lie, I did want it, but the price is a bit cray and I was not in the mood for dropping cash like that, so I went for a more, you know, realistic purchase. In case you're wondering, my size is 57. They do tend to recommend you go a size smaller than the Love rings. It comes, you know, bigger. So in the Love, I am 60, this is 57, 3 sizes smaller, and it's a really good fit. And I do like the fact that you can stack it up with other pieces. So let me show you if you stack it up with the Love. I did buy it to wear it like this, stacked up, but then once I looked at it, I just feel like it takes away from the actual piece because it gets a bit too lost in it. So I've decided to actually wear it on a different finger when I'm wearing it, which I think brings out the piece a bit more. Obviously you can wear it with the screw facing up or facing down, totally depends on preference. And in my opinion, it is a very classy piece. You can obviously kind of mix and match between hands, between stacking it up, wearing it on its own. It is very pretty, but it's just not a piece I wear on a daily basis. It is more of a occasion wear piece, mainly because I think the screw does tend to get onto the skin, and it's not. Oh, I can actually show you guys. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see how it leaves a mark? So wearing it throughout the day, it does get on my nerve a little bit, getting that pressure point. Maybe it's because I should have gone a size bigger, I'm not sure, but it does get into my skin and it's quite annoying. But overall, I think it's a beautiful piece, beautiful ring. It's a gorgeous collection. I really want the Juste Clou bracelet, even though it is not as comfortable as the Love. It's just a thing, you know, us, we want things for God knows why, but not as comfortable as the Love collection. Really depends on what you feel like. It really depends if you are wanting to wear it every single day. If you are, I would definitely go a size bigger so you don't get that pressure point on the screw. Would I buy it again? I'm not sure. I'd probably, if I could go back in time, I'd get another Love ring instead of the Juste Clou, just because of the comfort. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have many more luxury unboxing and hauls coming up, so stay tuned. But until next time,